Okay, we're going to install an SD card in a LG Stylo 2 LG81AL. Here's the SD card. Just got it from eBay, $14.95. Okay, first of all we want to do is find the charging jack here and take the back off. And it pops off. Get the back off, and we should have cut the phone off. I'll do that right now. Cut the phone down. Should have done that before I took the back off. Okay, it's off. We'll lift the battery out, and the SD card goes right on top of the SIMS card. Here, it shows you here on the side, but it's a little dark. It's hard to see. But this slides in a little clear it's hard to get it down there. Slides in there just like that. Okay, and that's a 64 gigabyte card. It says that these only use a 32, but I've got another LG and I put a 64 in it and it works fine. So anyway, a 32 will cost you as much or more than this. Okay, we'll put the battery back in like that. We'll snap the cover back on. Snap, snap. And then we'll turn it back on. Takes a little bit for it to come on. There it goes. Okay. Okay. To check it, we'll go down here to your programs, and then we'll go to the settings, and then we'll go scroll it down here to storage, and then we go all the way down here, and here it says 62.47 gigabytes down here at the bottom. And it also come up there and said that the SD card was mounted there under my finger. And of course, if you ever want to take the card out, you press this, and if you ever want to erase it, you press here. If you ever want to take it out or erase it. These phones only have 8 gigabytes, and it uses about 7 to operate the phone. I've got 1.12 gigabytes here to use. But you can go to your apps here, and you can, when you go to them, like if you go here to Chrome, you can't move it. We'll go to Facebook, It's not showing up here for some reason. Let me go back down to where the card was installed. Well, it says it's been read and it's showing it here. It's got the available place. Now let's go back up to the apps and look at it. And we'll go to Facebook. Okay, see here on Facebook it says now it's showing you can move Facebook to the SD card and you save space. That's no big deal to move Facebook there, because if you ever have to erase the card, it would erase Facebook, but you can just reinstall it real easy. But any apps that it says you can move, now you like Chrome here, I don't know why you can see it with the camera or not, but it says in this block here, it says move to the SD card. Well, it's not lit up. You can't move those apps. Okay, that's pretty much it. Hope that's some help. If you like my videos, if you please subscribe and click like, it kind of encourages me to make more. It doesn't cost you anything at all. Thanks for watching.